What's up guys, Scott here from Icon, and we're back out in the shop with this 2500 HD GMC right here. And as you can see, we've been doing a lot of different suspension work to it, but one of the pretty important parts of the suspension and steering that we have not done anything about yet up to this point are tie rods. And as you can see here, the factory GM 2500 tie rod is nothing spectacular, pretty spindly overall, not greasable. And with the amount of punishment that this suspension is made to handle, we wanted to upgrade that. So I present the Icon Extreme Duty HD tie rods. And this is a much larger unit, both inner and outer than the factory. Has metal on metal ball studs on both the inner and outer and are fully greasable. See, it's got this low pro grease fitting right here. And the outer is greasable as well. This is going to provide way more strength than the factory units are ever going to be able to give you. This truck's rolling on 37s, and we wanted to make sure it has the durability, the stability, and the reliability to keep on rolling straight down the road.